All right, in section 3.6, we're going to talk about compound inequalities, and there are three versions of this that we're going to discuss. The first compound inequality is I call it a between inequality because you have your expression and it's trapped between two different numbers. Okay, you can work with this just like a regular inequality. We're going to work on the middle, but whatever I do, I'm also going to do to both ends. So if I just had this 2x plus 10, my first step would be to subtract 10. Let me use a different color for this. I'm going to pull up my red here. Okay, and don't just do that to the other side. Do that to the both other sides. So it's minus 10 out here, minus 10 over there. Okay, so that's going to affect it all the way across. So let's scooch that out. Negative 2 minus 10 is negative 12. Now there's just a 2x in the middle is less than 20. Okay, next I see 2x, I'm going to divide by 2. And simplify or reduce what you can. That'll be negative 6 less than or equal to x less than 10. So I call this a between inequality because now you can see that x is trapped between negative 6 and 10. So let's graph this. Okay, at negative 6, I'm going to fill in the circle. At 10, it's going to be an open circle. And I'm going to shade between those two. So x can be any number between those two. Okay, so to solve a between inequality, you focus on the middle and do your steps like you normally would. Subtract 10, then divide by 2, and also do those steps to both sides. My answer is that x has to be between negative 6 and 10, and it can be exactly negative 6, so that negative 6 is included, but the 10 is not. Okay, go ahead and try that out. One of your answers here will be a fraction. That's okay. Don't sweat it. Fractions are your friend.